Vehicle is a tech-enabled supply chain company where we aim to formalize and transform and make efficient the supply chain in the agri-product space. As Vehicle, we work right from the farming side of the value chain till the consumer side in terms of brands. We have some of our own brands. We have a program called Outgrow where we work with the farmers on yield improvement, input cost reduction, risk mitigation, etc. through a mix of digital and on the ground initiatives. We also have a technology layer, which is a technology arm, which is primarily aimed at bringing software and mechanical technologies to problems faced in the agri space. We also have a unit called contract manufacturing and private labeling, where we help many customers of ours launch and scale their brands in the staples space. So what we call as staples is the rice, wheat, pulses, spices, dry fruits. This is a very large proportion of the consumption basket in India. Out of $800 billion, roughly $200 billion is actually consumed as staples through retail, which every household buys and uses for their food requirements. In India, the agri sector itself is $800 billion size at the consumer end of it. 35 to 40% of the value added is in the supply chain part of it, which is post the harvesting of the product till it reaches the consumer. There are about 6 to 12 steps before the product actually reaches the consumer from the time it is harvested. There is a lot of intricacy involved in it, and there are not too many major companies which do this work in an integrated manner, primarily because of the perishability, the inherent variability of each of the products supply, the varied requirements of each product in different geographical areas, and the high amount of nimbleness needed to operate the supply chain in a perishable commodity space. Now, what we do here is enable any brand, small or large, retailer or consumer brand, domestic or international, source, grade, pack, label and sell their products at the highest possible quality standards. The services we offer are to the customers, which helps them serve their end consumers better. Now, they take our services to help source the product as per their requirement, pack it in the high grade quality oriented facilities, which gives assurance of quality to them and to their end consumer, and lets them focus on marketing and branding. For a large company, the service we provide helps free up their bandwidth from doing the entire stretch of work in the value chain. We take care of packing or sourcing or grading for them, and they focus on their consumers. They are able to grow faster. Kind of customers we serve are large online retailers, modern trade stores, standalone supermarkets, people who run one or two supermarkets. For them, we help them launch their brands. They don't have to, they have, as a single entrepreneur, they have many things to focus on. Their entire staple segment, they source from us. Even the packaging design and printing is done by us. So they heave a sigh of relief that they can get it done in one place. We also provide ingredients as a supply to many food processors who are conscious about quality. For them, it is about getting the right ingredient in a consistent quality through the year. So whether it is a snacks manufacturer or a spice manufacturer or a cloud kitchen or a college kitchen who is interested in giving very good food to their consumers or products to their consumers, we are a desired place of purchase for them. This unit is established more than 3 years back. We have facilities spread over 5 locations: Chennai, Hosur, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Bagalkot, spread across about 45,000 square feet. We have the best possible machines required for doing high-end quality work in this space. These machines spread across form, fill and seal machines, inline weight checking so that there are no issues around weight, inline metal detection so that any such foreign matter is detected before the product goes out, and we have grading machines which clean the products for external items as well as size-based sorting. And there is a mix of packaging which is provided in terms of normal packs, whether it is machine packs or semi-automated packs, or vacuum packing, which can help increase the shelf life of the products. These units put together process about 2,000 plus tons in a month, and we serve more than 100 customers on a regular basis. To the consumer, we want to be the, it is like when we buy a computer, we see that there is an Intel Inside logo. They feel happy that okay, the processor is also good. It is not just the form factor of the machine. Similarly, we take quality very seriously. Our facilities are regularly audited. They are subject to even international certifications, and for every brand and consumer, we offer a mark of quality which will help them scale their brands and be happy that they are indeed sourcing the right product for them.